If you want to start meeting more people for love or business, but you're feeling really held back because of talking to new people, is not in your comfort zone, or you're an introvert, let me give you this success tip that is going to make a huge difference. First off, I'm an intuitive, author of Talk to the Trees, and I'm a psychic coach, and I am highly sensitive. So I really have to prepare when I'm going into what I would call energy intensive activities, like meeting new people, visiting new places, all of that. So recently I joined a co-working space. One of the big reasons I joined was so I could make more social connections and not work from home all day. However, this space, even though I had the desire of, I want to have a space where I can interact with new people who I might not come across in other ways, I knew the way my nervous system is and the way my energy gets used, that it would not be good for me to set up this goal of, I'm going to talk to people as soon as I get there and go. I knew that would not work for me. And so this is what I did, and what I'm going to recommend you did. Find the smallest possible goal that you believe that you can replicate for a period of time, 2 to 3 weeks, and do that while your nervous system and consciousness and whole being acclimates to this new habit. Make it the smallest possible habit. Smaller the better. A habit so small that you're even considering, is this even useful? So my habit that I made that was so small was that I would simply go to this place twice a week. That I would not make any intention or plan or goal to talk to anyone. That I would not make any goal to try and get something out of it. All I was doing was going to the space twice a week, sitting in the space. I didn't even have to go there for a full hour. I could go for 30 minutes, sitting in the space, being in the space, acclimating to it, and then leaving. For 3 weeks, that was my goal. If someone came up and talked to me, that's fine. It doesn't mean I'm avoiding people, but my goal was so small to just be in this space, because what I knew was that I needed to be in the space and get accustomed to it before I added on anything to that. I am sure some people are like, I totally know what you mean, and I'm sure there are other people who are like, it took you 3 weeks to acclimate. You know what? We're all different. Last week I went in, added some ice to my coffee, and just relaxed there. And now this is a place where I feel relaxed when I'm in the space, which also means when I interact with people in that space, I'm relaxed. So think about this for you. You're trying to meet new people. Where can you go that you can become so accustomed to being there that you become very, very relaxed, and it's very normal for you to be there? This is going to allow you to show up as your authentic self, your beautiful, amazing self, even more easily. And in the grand scheme of your life, does it matter if it takes you 3 weeks or 3 months or 6 months to acclimate to a space? No, it doesn't. This might not be your goal, to acclimate to a space. Your goal might be talk to 2 people a week. That might even be too big of a goal. Maybe your goal is make eye contact with 2 people a week, or go to one new location every week, and maybe you return to it twice so you can see, do I want to be a regular here? Being a regular at a place makes it easier for you to meet people. And I think the reason it's so easy to meet people when you're a regular is you're super comfortable in the space. The people who work there or who go there a lot are also accustomed to seeing you. And so making that first interaction feels easier. Let me know what's your super small activity, your super small habit that you're going to start with. I'm available for private sessions. Go ahead and book one if you want to get custom guidance exactly right and aligned for you. Wishing you all the best.